Okay, whatever.
No pressure, but we're waiting for you.
Sorry. 10 months ago, we made a video on this exact subject and a lot has changed, so we thought we would make a new one and freshen it up a little bit.
In this video, we share 6 steps in creating a more minimalist makeup and skincare routine.
Step 1 is timeline. So put a timeline on your products. If you haven't touched them for 3 months to a year and they kind of just sit in your drawer, this is going to be a good time to go through all of those things, see which things you use, which things you don't, and you can sort through and make 2 different piles, and you can either donate those things to a friend or you can simply just get rid of them.
Donate the good quality things to friends, and then if it's expired, then you can get rid of those.
Step 2 is go-to products versus special occasion products. So if you have that product that's a go-to everyday lip color, keep it. If you have a special occasion lip color, keep it. When would you not keep some of these things?
Well, I think if you've got like 5 pink lipsticks lying around and you know that you're not going to use a few of them, go through, choose the 2 or 3 that you use the absolute most, and then let go of the rest.
Creating a minimalist makeup and skincare routine is about keeping things simple, little clutter, and just sticking to those things that you can either use every single day or products that you can use as multi-use products, and we'll go into that a little bit later.
This totally applies to things like eyeshadows, brushes, all of the multiple products that you might have.
Step 3 is expiry date. So as mentioned before, when you're kind of going through your stuff and checking the things that you haven't used for a while, you really want to make sure that those products aren't expired. And because we work in the natural industry, products tend to expire a little bit quicker. So you can actually check the bottle, and the bottle will say when your product expires. It'll say 12M or 6M, and that'll just be on the back of the bottle for you to easily decide if it's expired or not.
What does M stand for?
Months.
So maybe you didn't know that 6M stands for 6 months after opening, or 12M stands for 12 months after opening. That'll give you an idea of expiry.
And you can also simply smell your products. If they smell kind of off or rancid, sometimes natural oils tend to smell like Play-Doh a little bit. If it smells bad, it's probably bad. How have you started creating a more minimalist makeup collection? Comment below. Let's offer each other inspiration and motivation because we know that this can be a big job for some people.
Step 4 is choosing products that have multiple purposes. So you can easily dab a little bit of lipstick on your cheeks for some cheek color. You could take a little bit of a clear lip gloss and apply it to the lips, cheeks, and even a little on the eyelids.
You can also use eyeshadow as eyeliner. You can use eyeshadow in a really bold way or a really soft way just by using different brushes. So there's definitely lots you can do with a small amount of product. For skincare, I actually really like using the same oil that I cleanse my skin with at the end of the night to lock all of my moisture in. So you don't need 5 different skincare products. You can usually get away with 2 to 3 products.
Step 5 is choosing brands that support your minimalist collection. So choosing brands that use less packaging, offer refills, use compostable packaging.
Yeah, and some of these brands that we carry are ELATE Cosmetics, Pure Annata Cosmetics, Unwrapped Life, and Pep Soap. Step 6 is more of a mind thing, and it's staying focused. So we know a lot of the time on Instagram, YouTube, magazines, even when you're out in a store, there can be sales, new products come out, new collections, and it can be really easy to get kind of sucked into that marketing and want to buy new products just because they're new and exciting. So just really stay focused on what your personal goals are for creating a minimalist collection, and just remember that when something is empty, that's when you can go and refill it or get a new product, not when something is new and exciting.
So use what you actually, purchase what you're actually going to use, and slowly work through that product. And even when we do our consultations, that's a big point that I stress with consultations with a client, because sometimes I can see people getting a little excited and they might want to walk away with more than they actually need. So I just kind of pull in the reins a bit and just ask that question, are you actually going to use this?
Learn more about how to tell if it's time to throw away your products in our When Do You Throw Away Your Natural Makeup Expiry Explained video. You can find that video right here.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up by liking it, commenting below, or sharing with your friends and family and fellow natural beauty lovers.
If you want to be notified for every time we upload a new video, hit that subscribe button.
And you can also subscribe to our newsletter for extra deals and offerings for our community.
Do you want to learn more and engage with people just like you? We have an amazing online community called the Green Beauty Community. This is your opportunity to be a part of a group that discusses natural products, techniques, and for you to ask any burning questions you may have or advice that you may need. You can find the link to the page in the description bar below.
Thanks so much for being here and watching this video. Some of you may have watched this video 10 months ago, and we have updated our website with some brand new products from Unwrapped Life and Pep Soap, and maybe a couple more sprinkled in there. And these products are made to create a more minimalist and low-waste makeup collection and skincare collection.
Much more simplified.
And as always,
see you on Tuesday.